do students need to know about taking the English ACT?
What do students need to know about taking this ACT?
Are you going to edit this?
Yes, I'm editing.
What do students need to know about taking the English ACT?
One of the most important things that they need to know is what they don't know. So you can look at the test and figure out based on practice tests, or if you go to ACT, I think it's actstudent.org, you can do practice tests, and on there you'll learn what skills you need, which skills you don't have. So for instance, if you're really weak in knowing where to use the comma, that's something that a lot of high school students, they just kind of forget, or they just don't know, or they've never learned it. So comma rules, what are the comma rules? Another example would be subject-verb agreement. What if you're not really sure about that particular skill? And you can actually go through and determine which skills you're lacking, and then learn those so that when you take the test, you can get those questions correct. What else? The other thing that I would suggest, especially for AP English, they can only ask you about these certain skills that you should have learned in your English 2 class or your English 3 class, but they're only going to be able to ask you about those certain skills. So practice makes perfect, and the best suggestion I can give to anybody preparing for the ACT to really improve your score is just to practice, 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 because on average, if you take the test, especially for English, you're likely to go up or down by 1 or 2 points, but if you study for it, you're almost guaranteed to go up by at least 2 or 3 points. So if you're sitting at like a 22, 23, and you want to bring it up to a 26, that's perfectly reasonable as long as you practice and study.
All right, and what was that website?
actstudent.org.